Okay, I'm going to demonstrate a new function on my Coco 2 that's going to help understand how it's working. So I can open a picture-in-picture window, and this will allow me, where is it? There it is. So I have my Coco here, my TK window that is running the screens and stuff on the Raspberry Pi, and in the background we have my actual program scanning the keyboard. Actually, if I type any commands, you'll see it translating the data down below, whereas the Coco is still running like that. So here we'll say command time. So Raspberry Pi is going to get me the time and send it over to the Coco. Here you can see how my keyboard scanning is. If it gets this data on the keyboard, it outputs that to the row and column on the Coco. If we have a special character, let's see, well, none of these are special. Some special characters like the exclamation mark needs a shift key held down before it can activate. So that's part of the little keyboard mapping program. So in the background here we can handle all the MIDI functions, all the high-res graphics, music, MP3, whatever, all while the Coco is up here. We have to reactivate this window. So this is not an emulator, this is the real Coco using its cartridge slot. So let's switch back. Oh, I have to hit command. So let's switch back using this command to get rid of the PNP mode. And we're back to my Coco.